How y'all are? It's your native Flor-xan. Got another idea for a meal today, so hang in there and let's get into it. So since I had to leave my butane stove at home, I got me this induction stove here because they don't allow flames. And got me a pot here with some water. But I was at the grocery store and I saw this gnocchi. Now we're probably not going to cook all this, but I thought, you know, I hadn't had gnocchi in a while. And I picked up a rotisserie chicken and shredded it down, so we're going to use it and make us a chicken and gnocchi dish. So first step, let's get this pot of water boiling and get this gnocchi cooked. So while our water's coming up to temp, we're going to go ahead and salt it real good. And anytime I'm cooking any kind of pasta, whatever, I like to put a little extra virgin olive oil in the pot. Alrighty, took 6 minutes. Our water's boiling. We're going to drop in this gnocchi and just boil it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it floats. Alright, you can see all of our gnocchis floating. So we're going to shut this off, strain this pot, and move on to the next step. Alright, so in a pan, I'm going to start off with about a tablespoon, let's do another one, of some garlic. And I got some chicken broth. This is about half this container, just to give us a little liquid. Just want to cover the bottom of the pan real well. And we're just going to kind of let this warm up. And what we're going to do is make us a garlic cream sauce to put our chicken and our gnocchi in. So you can see this is starting to come up to a decent simmer. I'm going to go ahead and add some heavy cream. Well, that's not going to make it. Good thing I add some more, so we're going to add just a little bit more in there. Give that a stir. Splash of some Chardonnay. We're going to let this come up to a boil, cook out some of that alcohol from the wine, and then we're going to start throwing some shredded Parmesan cheese in here and get this nice and creamy. Alright, so I turned my heat down a little bit. I'm just going to add about a handful and just kind of whisk that in and let it melt into our sauce here. This is going to thicken our sauce up a bit, but if we need to, we can add a little chicken broth to thin it back down. But you don't want to do this on a high heat. You want to turn that heat down and just get it hot enough to where it can melt everything down. But I think I'm going to add just another small handful of cheese and a little more chicken broth. Once we get this all incorporated, then we'll start adding our chicken and our gnocchi and finishing this off. So here's our rotisserie chicken that we shredded up. Just going to put a good handful in here. Let that start coming up to temp. Got our gnocchi that we strained. Pitch that off in there and just kind of stir it in. Now I have not turned my heat up or nothing. I left it on that low heat. Just kind of from this point on, want to warm everything up. And I want to add a little bit of cracked black pepper. Get that mixed in real good. So simple dish, not too many ingredients. So I think we're done. Alright folks, here you go. Chicken and gnocchi and garlic cream sauce. Let's taste this dude. Down shoot. Oh man, that's good. That garlic and that cream. That gnocchi's like little pillows in your mouth. And then that chicken, being a rotisserie chicken, it's nice and tender. I gotta get another bite of this. Man, oh man. So again folks, you buy yourself a quick little meal, easy to make, it's gonna make us a good supper. So thanks again for watching. Thanks to all you subscribers out there, and we'll see you on the next one.